Right here is the Toulouse Street Road crossing in New Orleans, Louisiana. The first signal, which was installed sometime in the 2010s. It has a, I don't know what this base is, I don't know what brand that is. The emergency information, New Orleans Public Bell maintains this crossing. A McCain pedestrian light and a Western Full Haze E Bell. The old signal that this replaces like all these others except it had GS E Bell. The second signal here, there's the base. There's a sign here. And there's a pedestrian line on top.
Our ticket we bought right there said to 7.
Two more signals on this side. Which are identical to that signal. That one has emergency information. This one doesn't.